Burnt Popcorn. Today's the day we finally leave.
I wonder what's outside there.
Only one way to find out. Oh.
Yeah!
Well, now that we will fit in with the humans, we need human names.
Well, I've always liked the name Jonathan.
And my name could be Teo.
Well, we also need some sort of device to make us human-sized.
Oh, how convenient. Let's use it.
Now let's leave whoever's kitchen this is.
How, though?
Window.
Okay.
Oh, you scoundrel! Where did you go?
Perfectly cooked pizza. What's happening? I honestly don't know. But if I had to guess, I think someone escaped the microwave.
Ugh. I'm glad we were out of there.
But what do we do from here?
Cliff.
Yeah! That was the best experience of my life ever.
That was the worst experience of my life.
Finally, you've caught up. Sup, guys?
Ice cream, you're still here?
Oh, I don't go by ice cream anymore.
Then what do you go by?
Oh, I'm he, him.
I was talking about your name.
Oh, my new name is Kingston.
But how have you fit in with the humans for 2 years?
Follow me.
No, we are not doing this. So, this is the place?
It's a school. A place where humans come to learn.
But don't we need to be signed up for that kind of thing?
Who cares? Come on.
This place is stupid.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Today's Bring a Pet to School Day.
Guys, what do we do? Wait a minute, I have an idea. Yeah, I don't think school is my cup of tea. What are we gonna do? Not only is it Taco Tuesday, but it's the Johnsons' family night. So instead of eating popcorn and tacos, they'll be eating salad and pizza. Then we need to go on a quest to find burnt popcorn and undercooked taco.
Hey, what's that?
Okay, I think we're safe now.
Gotcha!
No, perfectly cooked pizza!
Yummy.
When am I gonna take a break?
Whenever we find a nice place to stay, like this rocket ship.
Let's use it.
Bet.